Hello guys, welcome to my first video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic Discord bot. So first go to Discord developer portal. The link will be in the description for this website. So first go to applications. First new application. Then name whatever you want for your bot or your application. We'll do the bot name for the bot after. So I'm going to just put test.10. Create. And once you get to this page, go to bot and we'll be on the side. This is only an application because you can make games and all that kind of things. Once you get to this, go to bot and press add bot. Adding your bot gives you your visible file in Discord, however, it is unreversible. Choose wisely, especially. And then this is where you can change the username for your bot, and you can add a profile picture if you like. So this is the token. It's basically the password. Do not share this with anyone at all. If you ever do share it, just press G to regenerate there. So first we're going to go to the auth tab here. Then click the bot box here. At the moment when it joins the server, we'll have no permissions, but for that, just tick the permissions which you want. I'm just going to put administrator, so it has all permissions. And then you see the link here. Just press copy and open a new browser and paste that in. Now choose your server you want it to be in. I'm going to write video 1. Press continue and authorize. So now you just invited the bot to your server. So now if we go to it, it says, glad you're here, test bot 10. At the moment you can see it's, let me just click this bot. At the moment you can see it's offline because it has no coding onto it yet. So now we're going to go and add the coding part. So now I'm going to go to repl.it. This is the host and provider and the code editor we're going to use. And then press new rep. This is going to be in node.js, so add that. And then test. I'm going to put YT test private create rep. And once that's in, it will load you into it. Here's your code. This is your console. This is where all errors and stuff will be posted. So we're going to basically just code the start, and when the bot comes online, you'll make sure it says that ready. So first we're going to put constant Discord equals acquire Discord.js. Then we need to do const client equals new Discord.client. Open it up. That's there. So now we've done the first 2 lines. Now you have to do client on, and then you have to put dot on, and then we'll put ready. And then once you've done this, you have to do what they go over that and press comma, and then open it up, space. So that's that, and then you have to do console log, and then go put open bracket, and then go put ready. So once the bot comes online in the console here, it will say ready. So now we've done that. Now I'm going to end it with a semicolon. So now we've done the basics. It won't start up yet because you don't have the token. We'll do the token at the end. The token requires, the token is required, to come online. So now we're going to a command to do client dot on message msg. Then open that up and do a statement. Do message content. Then we're going to put I'm not going to put a prefix on, I'm just going to put help. You can add a prefix before you thought like dash, but I'm just going to put help for now. And you close it, and then and then do message reply. Oops. And this is a help command. And then do a semicolon. And do so that's the command. Now we're going to add the token to it. So client login. Oh no, I'm not like that typing. Don't know why I think coding, but I still don't get hurt things. Okay, typing. So now go to back to the developer portal, go to bots, and get your token by pressing copy. So now go back to the repl.it and then just paste it here. So now this is your code just for basic command help. You do not have to paste like const discord require all that again. You only have to like if you want to have other commands, just copy that and just paste it below. I'm going to put here, I'm going to put a pong command. Ping will respond with pong. So what? This is the trigger. So if I type help in chat, it will respond with this reply here. This is a help command. If I say ping, it will respond with pong. So now let's run the bot. It should install for a bit. It's just installing. Once it's installed, it should say ready, like we said here. You can. This is like you can update it to put something else. I'm just going to put ready for now. So now let's get back to Discord, and you see the test button at 10 is online. It has to roll with its administrator permissions. So now if we put help, this is a help command. And then if we put ping, it says lecture pong. So that is a simple, basically simple command. Simple 2 commands what you can do. If you need any help, I'll put the link to my support server in the description. And please let me know in the comment section what you want me to see, like what you want me to code and record, so you guys can like create a ticket feature or something. Just let me know in the comment section, and I'll make a video for that. Anyway, guys, see you later. Thanks for watching.